Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Caitlin. So today my lovely client is in for a touch-up. So I am hand painting her balayage. We want to achieve kind of a medium brown tone that's a little bit warm but also a little bit neutral. So I am just hand painting her balayage all over, just bringing everything back up and tipping out her ends. And I am painting her balayage points around her face higher and then a little bit lower going back just to give a nice gradient halo effect.
Got a truck full of flows, not even half of it shown. Spazzing on low, spitting for show. Don't need to tell me, I already know. Flying past the clouds, where there's no sound. Ain't coming back down, I stand for now.
And you might notice that the lightener is super opaque, which means that the hair is super saturated with the lightener, which is what you want because you don't want any spottiness.
Let me be Peter Parker to York when Stacy. Born like a starter, but you can't just play me, yeah. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm loaded inside of my zone. 9 RP the juice, man, God bless it. So 100 degrees down to passive zero. Gon' be a beat down when I hop on that song. Whoa, whoa.
So she lifted great and the blend is perfect, so no need for a root smudge, but I am going to tone her with 6G, 6GI, and 7NB for a nice rich tone. So I let the gloss sit on for about 20 minutes and now I am blow drying her hair with my Dyson Supersonic professional hair dryer.
Let me be Peter Parker to York when Stacy. Born like a starter, but you can't just play me, yeah. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. 9 Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know.
Now I'm beach waving her with my Ionic extra long barrel 1-inch curling iron, and I'm leaving about 1.5 inches of her ends out and then smoothing over them with the clamp just to get them nice and straight.
I got a truck full of flows, not even half of it shown. Spazzing on low, spitting for show. Don't need to tell me, I already know. Flying past the clouds, where there's no sound. Ain't coming back down.
And here's the finished look. So fresh and so pretty. I love the rich tone.
Cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. Flowing on speed, go crazy. Rockabye beats, but it ain't no baby. Let me be Peter Parker to York when Stacy. Born like a starter, but you can't just play me, yeah. Fire cooking inside of my room, ain't nobody gon' know when I'm finna be on when I'm locked in inside of my zone. 9 RP the juice, man, God bless it. So 100 degrees down to passive zero. Gon' be a beat down.
Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.